Yo, welcome guys into my new video. Today we'll talking how to improve in Fortnite on mouse and keyboard. So let's go into clip. Okay, first thing I want to talk about is settings. So let's go into settings, and window ed mode is not a really important thing. I recommend you full screen because it give you good quality and okay FPS. Resolution, this is about your monitor. This thing always needs to be off because it gives you a lot of input delay. Frame rate limits lock on your monitor FPS. Rendering mode, it is about your graphic cards. If you have good graphic card, make this like me. If you have bad graphic cards, like make this performance lower graphic. It's good if you have bad graphics, but if you have good, don't make this because you will have lag into your game. Okay guys, now we're talking about warm-up. I recommended this map. You can see the code on top of screen. So here you can do free build. Peak practice is the best practice of peak I ever see. It's made it just perfect. Clutch practice like 1v2 with bots. And that's it. And aim. I forgot to say aim. Let's go into peak practice first. Okay. Here you can make difficulty and size. So I recommend to break this, and you get here and you practice your pick on this thing. Okay, after that you practice, you can get go into some aim, I don't know, AR or shotgun or whatever. This is good thing. I don't use it, but it's a good thing. Just on here you see this red thing, and you add it like that thing. Okay, here is turtle, and I did this. Okay. Second thing, uh, this is tunnels. I don't like it, but if you want to play, you can. Piece control, like you can practice your piece control here. And here is clutch practice. This is like you can choose your high P, 1v2, 1v3, 1v4, and you click start. And then you see these bots are rushing you, and that's it, just you play. Okay. I recommend you this map really because it helped me with aim so much. Peak practice is very good, and it is okay for warm up, for like go play ranked or something. So I recommended you. Okay, let's go into new thing. Okay guys, the most important thing is to practice your edits, build, aim every day, and it's some tricks to become better. So if you don't practice this every day, you will never improve and never be your player like you want to be. So I recommended you to practice this every day for like 10 to 30 minutes. I don't know how much time you have, but yeah, if you want to improve, you need to practice it very much. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments what you think. And I also want to say sorry for my bad English. I'm trying to make better videos and speak better. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye guys.